Hey everyone, welcome back to Spice World Kitchen. Today we have a treat for all you chocolate lovers out there, the ultimate chocolate cake recipe. Get ready to indulge your sweet tooth with this decadent and moist chocolate cake that's perfect for any occasion. Before we dive in, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on our delicious recipes. Now, let's get started. To make our chocolate cake, you'll need the following ingredients. 2 cups all-purpose flour, 1 3/4 cups granulated sugar, 3/4 cup unsweetened cocoa powder, 1 1/2 teaspoon baking powder, 1 1/2 teaspoon baking soda, 1 teaspoon salt, 2 large eggs, 1 cup whole milk, 1/2 cup vegetable oil, 2 teaspoons pure vanilla extract, 1 cup boiling water. Start by preheating your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, 180 degrees Celsius. In a large mixing bowl, combine the flour, sugar, cocoa powder, baking soda, and salt. Mix them together until well combined. Now, let's add the wet ingredients. Crack the eggs into the bowl, and then pour in the milk, vegetable oil, and vanilla extract. Mix everything until you have a smooth batter. Our secret ingredient to make this chocolate cake extra moist is hot boiling water. Gradually add the boiling water to the batter, mixing continuously. Pour the batter evenly into 2 greased and floured 9-inch round cake pans. Tap the pans on the counter to release any air bubbles. Pop these into the preheated oven and bake for 30 to 35 minutes or until a toothpick inserted into the center comes out clean. While our cakes are baking, let's prepare the chocolate frosting. 1 cup unsalted butter, softened. 2 cups powdered sugar. 1/2 cup unsweetened cocoa powder. 1/4 cup milk. 1 teaspoon vanilla extract. A pinch of salt. Cream together the softened butter and powdered sugar until light and fluffy. Then, add the cocoa powder, milk, vanilla extract, and a pinch of salt. Mix until smooth and creamy. Once your cakes are out of the oven and cooled, it's time to assemble our chocolate masterpiece. Place 1 cake layer on your serving plate and spread a generous layer of chocolate frosting on top. Add the second layer and frost the entire cake. And there you have it, the most indulgent and moist chocolate cake ever. I can already smell the rich aroma. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with your fellow chocolate enthusiasts. Subscribe for more mouth-watering recipes, and I'll see you in the next video. Happy baking!